Follow the steps on how to create an editable text effect with 3 colors like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by setting up a background. Lock the background layer and add a new layer. Press T to insert text. Here I use a Gothic showcard font with size 200. Set the leading text. Remove the main color. Prepare Appearance panel and add new fill. Change it with gradient colors. Open Gradient and make it like this. Go back to the Appearance panel. Click Fill, then add a drop shadow effect. I set it like this. Click Type and add a stroke. And adjust. Next, add a transform effect. Set it like this. Click Type and add warp effect. Set it like this. I will lower the fill opacity a little. Double-click to edit text. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.